Your Bespoke AI Laundry Combo's filters will eventually get a little dirty. Let's take a look on how to keep them clear and working well. The drain filter collects larger debris coming from your wash cycles. You should clean it every 2 months to prevent clogs. First, turn off your Bespoke AI Laundry Combo and unplug the power cord. Gently open the lower compartment cover and remove the Auto Dispenser. Now we'll have to drain any water left in the drum. You'll need a bowl or bucket and a towel to handle any spills. Remove the tube cap and let the water drain. When it's finished, replace the tube cap and reinsert the tube. Now we can remove the drain filter. Push in and turn the knob to the left. A little more water will have to drain off, so keep that towel handy. Clean the filter with a soft brush. While it's out, make sure there isn't any other debris in the filter area. Now that everything's clean, we can put it all back together. Reinsert the filter and turn the knob to the right. Make sure everything is together properly to prevent leaks. Insert the auto dispenser and close the compartment cover.